Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use iMorph WoW. This powerful tool lets you customize your character's appearance in many exciting ways. You can change your race, gender, and even your equipment, all from your perspective. It's a fantastic way to personalize your gameplay experience and see your character exactly how you envision them without affecting other players' views. To begin, you'll need to download the iMorph files, typically an executable and a DLL, from a reliable community source. Once downloaded, place these two files directly into your main World of Warcraft game directory. After launching the game, run the iMorph executable. This action injects the necessary script into your game client, often prompting a quick restart to fully enable the add-on for use. Once iMorph is active, you can start morphing by typing commands into your in-game chat, always beginning with a period. For example, to change your race, type race followed by a numerical race identification number. To alter an item, use item, then the item slot number, and finally the item's display identification number. You can easily find these specific item and model identification numbers on popular World of Warcraft community databases, such as Wowhead. Beyond basic changes, iMorph offers advanced commands for morphing mounts, spells, and even transforming into various non-player characters. Many users create in-game macros to quickly switch between their preferred visual combinations. It is important to remember that using iMorph technically violates the game's terms of service. While purely cosmetic alterations are often tolerated, using this software is always at your own risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.